Hey designers, I know you've probably gone to website or landing page, and at a particular section, you see endless scroll, either a carousel, a card, or an image, or set of images that just keep scrolling and scrolling, and you keep thinking, when does this end? But it does not end because it's an endless scroll. So now I will show you how to do this endless scroll effect on Figma. So let's jump into it. So this is it. So I want to make an endless scroll of this image, just running in the loop, going up on and on and on without stopping. So first things first, you have to make sure your scroll effect fits into the frame in which you want to use. For this, I'm using the 1440 by 1024 desktop frame. So what I will do next is to take this, select them all, duplicate it, and after duplicating it, I select them all and I'll frame selection. I've added a frame. I've framed the whole selection. So what I will do next is to bring this right here. I want the scroll effect to be for this 4 item. So I've made sure that these 4 items, the amount of items I want to be visible in the primary frame is just 4 images, and they will both fit in here. So I will take my frame back here, then I'll name this frame all images. Then I will select it and frame selection again. After framing selection, I will name it parents. I will select parents. I will come to the edge and drag it to the edge of the 4th image, which is the image. This is the 4 image that will only be displayed while scrolling. Then, but you can see, you will notice that these images are still visible. That's because I haven't clipped the content. But immediately I click on clip content, they will all disappear. So I'll take this and duplicate it. After duplicating, I'll come here and select all images, which is the child frame, and I will drag it and make sure it fits. So you have to make sure that the edge of this image and the edge of this image both align. You can take out the ruler, the guide here, and use the guide here, and when you zoom in, you can select this and align it. Try to make it as perfect as possible. So after doing that, select the both of them, select both parents, and you clip contents. So after clipping content, you select the both parents and you come here, create a component set. So you click on this switch to prototype, drag to this. Now the interaction setting, on click, it should change to this. But we're going to make the trigger will be after delay. After delay, 1 millisecond, it should change to this. The animation will be smart animate, linear, duration 10,000 milliseconds. Done. Then you come to this, then you return it back here, and after delay of 1 millisecond, it should change to this. The animation I want is instantly. So the trick behind the whole infinite scroll is that when you scroll from here, when this appears, the whole effects scrolls. But what makes it endless is because it switched immediately to this instantly. When it gets to the end of the animation of this frame, it automatically switch back instantly without any animation. So you don't notice, you barely notice when it's moved to this, and we have the animation repeating itself. So after we're done with this, we take this, we copy it, we click on our frame and paste it. I like to put this at the center of the page here. So now let's play our prototype. So as you can see, our endless scroll is happening. So when it gets to the last image here, it immediately switch back to the first setting. It's noticeable, a 1 millisecond delay, but barely noticeable, but it's there. You can easily view it. So you can do this to not just images, you can also add videos to your frame, or you can also make instead of images or videos, you can make it a card, and you will still get the same results when you do this. Thank you for sticking around till the end. Catch you in the next one. Thank you.